waiting for.
I'm going to help you two step over here. Okay?
Crowning for our princess. Are you ready, girls? Our princess winner for this year, the 22nd annual Denver Days, is Kyla Webb. Kyla, come on up.
Aww.
She's busy looking in her bag of gifts.
My hand is shaking. Aww.
Get it, Kyla? Come on up here. And here's Miss Kyla, our 2011 princess. Now we're going to have the Prince